Hey, so we got Loren Healy out here at King of the Hammers 2019. How's King of the Hammers going for you?
Morning, everybody. Yeah, King of the Hammers is going awesome so far. We got finished with qualifying 2 days ago. Ended up in the top 3 for qualifying, so we'll be up in the top couple rows starting off the line. So it's where I always want to be, up in some fresh air. Made a little mistake and clipped the tire, so I got to run about a half a lap on a flat tire. But you know, still really happy with qualifying so far, and just really excited to get into the car for the race now. It's so much work and everything that goes into getting here and having the cars ready, and so just really excited for all the stress to kind of go away and get in and do what we love to do.
Right on.
We've been out here running Holley EFI stuff for 4 or 5 years now, on the last 3 or 4 cars, and it works amazing. On this car, we built this car about a year ago. We've been running the Dominator ECU and harness, the 105mm throttle body, and the 7-inch touch display and dash. And, you know, it works great for what we've done. They really help develop products that work great in our environment and can take the views that Ultra King of the Hammers puts out.
Fantastic. Some other events that you come in and participate with is one of our events is LS Fest West. What are your thoughts on that event?
I love LS Fest West. You know, it's a relaxed environment. We get to do a little bit of door-to-door racing. They build us a really cool track, and you know, it just really allows us to showcase the LS platform and what we can do in those race cars, whether it's drifting on the asphalt or going out and hitting big, you know, 100-foot jumps and throwing the cars around. It's a great time.
Not to mention the burnout challenge, right?
Yeah, the burnout challenge is awesome. You know, you can't beat what they do out at LS Fest. It's a great weekend.
Fantastic.